Guys, this is our installation video for the pedal interceptor. I'm already under the dash. We're looking at that gas pedal. This is on a Chevy Bolt. Connector plug is right here. It may be in a different location on your car, and depending upon your vehicle it may look a little different, but I can only demonstrate the bolt. So you see there's a little red tab on the back there. You got to get your finger behind it and pop it, and then you have to pull back on it while you pull on the connector, and the connector will come off. This is what the pedal interceptor will look like. So it's real simple. The interceptor goes between the cable to the car and the gas pedal. So plug it in to the gas pedal. Doesn't matter what you do first. Push that latch in. You don't want this coming loose on you while you're driving. And then plug the male connector. Okay, push it till it clicks. It may take a little force, might take two hands. Mine's gonna take two hands. When it is in all the way, should look like that, and you will hear an audible click. Then let's latch this so it doesn't come loose. That's it. Well, for getting it hooked to the car, there's a double stick tape included here so you can keep it out of the way wherever you want to. In the bolt, you can also tuck it behind this thing. It's very convenient. So last step is to plug in the Ethernet cable that you previously attached to your harness. And now I'm just gonna tuck this thing out of the way. Perfect. That is it. Literally, that's all it takes to install the pedal, and we're ready to use it. Next video, I will cover how you use it. Thanks for watching.